Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raquel. Today's product feature will be the Atarah Hair and Scalp Treatment Oil. In this voiceover, you'll be seeing how I will be using this product in my wash and go in a few different methods. But before I move on, please stay to the end for a huge announcement. As you can see, I am holding the beautiful packaged oil. I will be introducing the 100 milliliter and the 20 milliliter bottle. This item is packaged in a glass bottle and a beautiful dropper for easy application. This product has 8 different essential oils, including Jamaican Black Castor Oil, extra virgin coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, red pimento oil, wheat germ, and peppermint oil. They all smell amazing. My hair is already washed and sectioned off, so I will be applying this as a scalp treatment. And as you can see, I am giving myself a scalp massage. This product felt amazing in my hair. It was tingling. I loved the feeling. So I will be doing a twist out, and sure as fate, you will be seeing how amazing I looked while this product was tingling in my hair. Day 2 of my twist out, and you'll see me applying my Atarah hair and scalp treatment, because listen, this product helps with hair growth and getting my edges back in check. Welcome to day 3 of my twist out. You'll be seeing where I'll be using the oil to do a takedown of my twist, and this will be helping me to prevent frizz and add shine. You'll be seeing 2 styles from my twist out. I am in love with this product. What can I say? It is not heavy and it adds just the right amount of moisture to my hair. It is an organic, natural, vegan, handcrafted, cruelty-free, paraben-free scalp and hair treatment. Listen, guys, you need to get your hands on this oil. But listen, it is not a mistake. Yes, I said it. This is the best oil I've used in my hair in a long time. Thank you for those who stayed all the way to the end with me. Now for my big announcement. I was selected to be a brand ambassador for Atarah Hair Care. I am a proud ambassador of Atarah Hair Care, as I know that this product does what it says it's supposed to. All those oils in there that stimulate hair growth, I am for it. Now, join me along my edge journey and my natural hair journey, and as my journey continues, you'll be seeing my reviews on this item. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!